Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to talking about something really useful for improving user experience. That thing is how we can setting a default home page in Salesforce. Because when user logins, what they see in the home page that is really matters, right? So instead of showing a random page, you can control and customize it. So let's see how we can do that. When user logins to their application, every time user logins, they land on home page, right? And you can decide what the components they can see, how it looks, what info is important. Simply we can say it's like setting their dashboards. So then how we can do that? All right, let's do it practically. So first we need to click on gear icon, click on setup. In left side quick find box, you need to search Lightning App Builder. Open the Lightning App Builder. So in here, we can edit the existing page or we can create new one. We will see some options like edit, clone, delete or new. So if you want to create everything from scratch, you just go with new button. You need to edit the existing one. You need to go with existing lightning pages. So currently I will go with new page. So just click on new. So in here, when we creating lightning page, we need to select the home page. We need to configure the home page, right? So that's why we will go with home page. So then click on next. Then give the home page name. So I will give like home page. Then click on next. So in here, we can need to select the page template. So we can have different templates. So currently I will select like standard home page. So then click on done. You need to navigate to Lightning App Builder. In here, we need to select the what are the components we need to show in home page. We need to show dashboards. So that's why I just click on dashboards, drag into home page. So then I need to show the task. So I need to show the today task. So that's why I just drag that task and put it in here. So then I need to show the assistant. So I just drag this assistant and put it in here. So I just arrange the components. So then click on activation. So once you click on activation, we will get three options. One is org default, second one is app default, app and profile. So we need to choose whatever we want. Org default means same home page for all the users. App default means different home page for based on the application. App plus profile means different for different users based on the options. So currently I will click on app. So then click on assign to apps. So in here we need to select the apps. So currently I will select like sales. Then click on next. So then click on save. So once you saved, again we need to click on save. Now I just go back to my home page. I just refresh this home page. Now you can see that home page is appearing here. For this, some real-time examples are, let's say sales team needs leads opportunity, support team needs cases and tasks. So instead of one common home page, we need to create two home pages for each team. Whatever they need, we need to show that details only. That is very useful. So then what are the mistakes people do when they creating home pages? People are create home page but forget to activate it. So if you forget to activate it, it's not appear. Always check activation before go back. And some important things we need to remember like keep home pages are simple, so don't overload. Show only important components. If you don't set any default home page, Salesforce show a standard home page. It may be not useful for your business. So this is how we can create a default home page in Salesforce and assign for an application. It is a very useful for improving user experience and productivity. So I hope you understand these things. Thank you for watching.